Yes. Yes. How to torture a dog. How do we torture Charlie? Can you give it to him? Eli, Eli. Can you give him the box? Charlie, go get it. Go get over there. Can we give it to Charlie? No. Charlie, go. Charlie, come here. Can you give them to Charlie? You get so many. Can you give one to Charlie? Yeah. Charlie wants the red one. Can you give the red one to Charlie? Yeah, give it to Charlie. Go ahead, give it to Charlie. Charlie, go get it. Charlie, right here. Charlie. Charlie, right here. You giving a kiss to... Oh, you giving a kiss to... Charlie, come here. Can you give it to Charlie? He's right here. Eli. Go. Still holding on to those two, Eli? Charlie, come here. Charlie, go get it, Charlie. Go get the cube. The cube. Go get the little wooden cube right here. Charlie. Right here. Charlie, look. Go get him. No, over there. Shh, Mommy. Come, up. Don't put him in your mouth after you give it to Charlie. Eli, up. Give me a hand. Come on, give me a hand. Up. Come on, up. Up. Come on. Up. No? Let's go get the cubes. Okay, the end.